Can I just tell you how much I loathe and despise excavating and trenching? We ended up renting a bunch of equipment to get the job done and get everything excavated and trenched. From road cutting, from trenching over 1,500 feet for water lines, for sewer and electrical, to retrenching because it rained a bunch of times, and then digging for a 1,000-gallon propane tank and jackhammering all the granite. I'm a bit maxed out. Thank goodness for amazing friends and child labor. You wouldn't believe how much granite there is on our property. I'm a go-getter, but next time the pros can totally handle it. Never again.